Get a domain and hosting. The first two tools needed for building websites. A domain is the web address that will be used to refer to your website or simply the name of your website. To purchase a domain, you can go to any registrar and simply type in the domain name you want and register it for a fee. I'll be showing you how to purchase a domain from GoDaddy. Search on Google for GoDaddy, then type in your domain name. If it's available, then just go and buy it from there by clicking Go to Cart and purchasing it. I won't go through the flowchart of how you process the transaction because it's quite like the same as we do on e-commerce sites. Next, after you've purchased your domain, purchase a hosting. I'm using a shared hosting from Namecheap for this set of lectures. You can purchase hosting from Namecheap or any other hosting provider. Examples of some popular domain name providers or registrars are GoDaddy, Namecheap, AlpNames, Dynodot, etc. Examples of some popular hosting providers are Bluehost, Namecheap, HostGator. In the next lecture, I will tell you how to build a dummy website like this one, which will take you through the first level of lectures. All you have to do is connect your domain to your hosting and install WordPress, the most popular open source tool for building websites.
Now you can buy these from anywhere. For the sake of starting quickly, what I would suggest is just buy a domain from GoDaddy, just buy hosting from Namecheap and start off.